Hi everybody, hello, welcome. My name is Jara Bee, and today I'm going to get straight into what's in my bag on this Michael Kors Sylvia Tote that I purchased from TJ Maxx not too long ago. So as you can see here, this is a tote bag, and then on the outside of the bag I adorned it with this purse charm that's like a twilly scarf and a tassel. You can see here the side of the bag is this beautiful caramel brown color. The back has no pocket. The bottom has, it looks like this. There's no feet. And then here's the front of the bag. Also, let me give you a quick overview of what the guts look like. Here you go. I've been in this bag for a week and a half now. So the bag is kind of messy. I'm ready to switch out of her, so I wanted to do a video real quick. So let me start pulling things out. Alright, so I'm going to start with the two slip pockets on the inside. I have some lip products, my little Panda Bear lip smacker, my Fenty Beauty lip gloss in hot chocolate, and then in the other slip pocket I have my tissue, and then in the back zipper pocket I have my phone. I have a notebook. I have another lip product. This is by Mary Kay. And this Mary Kay lip gloss is in the color Pink Wink. I have my straw cover. I showed this in a previous What's in My Bag video. My little ink pen and a Charms Sweet Pop in the flavor watermelon. Yum yum. I have some hand sanitizers. So that is all that I have in the back zippered pocket. So now I'm going to start pulling things out of the main compartment. We'll start with my keys, and I decided to use my Victoria's Secret keychain loop. See what else? Oh, my perfume that I've been wearing lately by Escada. It's Santorini Sunrise. It's a coconutty tropical scent. It smells so good. My wet ones. Here is the iridescent little pencil case that I'm using as my candy pouch. And I just have some peppermints in here, gum, some drink mixes, and these little Andy mints that look like this. These are the ones with the chocolate on the outside and the thin layer of mint in the middle and cookie crunches. I only like the Andes mints with the cookie crunch. So there's that. And I have a compact mirror, and it looks like this. Open it like that. And it has a LED lights on it. And it has different settings. I don't know if you can tell, but if you press, it has different light settings on it, like 3 different settings. I am slowly falling in love with this compact mirror, y'all. I got this off of Amazon. USB charge here. So next, I have my double eyeglass case that I purchased from TJ Maxx. And I always leave these unzippered so that when my purse is in the passenger seat, I can just reach down inside here and pull out what I need. I have my big boy taser here. Oh, it's dying. Oh, I need to charge it. Let me turn it off. Okay. Okay, what's next down in here? Okay. My AirPods Pro, and the case looks like this. Ain't that cute? It has the little Starbucks girl here, woman here, a little drink right here. So cute. That. I have my allergy relief nasal spray. I like this stuff. This is Kroger brand. I also have at the bottom my Cottonelle wipes. If you're following me, if you've been following me for a minute, basically most of us ladies, we carry the same stuff, just different packaging. Okay, what else I got down in here? A hair tie. I don't know why, because my hair is short. I don't know why that's in there. A mint wrapper. Next thing is my wallet by Michael Kors. So I'm really enjoying this wallet right here, you guys, a lot. Just looks like this on the inside. Then I have my Victoria's Secret cosmetic pouch, and it looks like this. Bought this over the winter time. I fell in love with it. I saw it on first on Miss Toya's channel, and I had to have it. So yep, love it. Then last but not least is my magazine. I have been in the mood. This is Oprah's magazine, her quarterly issue. So every now and again I pick up a magazine, you guys. Yes, I do. And I want to read this from front to back. Did you know that this magazine, Oprah's magazine, her quarterly issue magazine of O, costs $16 now? 16 bucks for a magazine, but I wanted it. So yeah, it's got some nice little articles and stuff in here. I'm gonna read every word in it too. All right, you guys, I'm just going to pack the bag back. I want to wish you guys a happy day. I hope that everything is going well for you. If not, I hope that things will get better for you. So everybody, y'all take care, and until next time, be safe out there, okay? Take care. Bye, guys.